by applying effleurage. One hand linear stroke, the other one zigzag. So it's a combo technique. Increase the speed. Make sure your shoulders stay loose, facing the head of the client, then switching your stance, face the foot, and making sure alternating zigzag and flat hand. Continue practicing friction, starting at the ankle and the heel. Linear strokes. Make sure your fingers are loose, following with the circular. Make sure you're covering all the surfaces. And continue with the linear and lateral and medial surfaces of the knee, linear, then circular, and continuing from the knee to the gluteal fold, linear and circular. Brisk application, friction followed by kneading, starting with kneading with one hand, scrolling kneading, and continue with both hands. Again, the energy projected from the center of your body, not to exhaust the muscles in your hands, in your arms. Now stretching kneading, comfortably without pinching, get hold of the tissue and stretch. Next variation, grab, pull up and twist left and right from one attachment to the other. And next variation, you shifting to the left and to the right, again using your body movement to support this application. And next we are twist the muscle, again using your body movement to support it. Soft and powerful application, followed by the kneading with your thumbs, alternating circles to the left and to the right, crossing the invisionary lines, several lines from the medial to the lateral side. Now moving on and continue those variations of kneading above the knee. If the area is large, like massive muscles, hamstrings, then you overlap your hands in a way that covers the entire area. So after scrolling kneading, you continue with the stretching kneading. And again, kneading with a twist. Again, twist coming from your body, not from the hands. And once again, following several lines from the medial to the lateral, using the circular kneading with your thumbs. Another application of flying hands that you speed up on the local area, just calves area, hamstrings area, keeping yourself loose, following with the vibration. Now squeezing down from the ankle to the knee, compressive combination of vibration and compression on a way down and on a way up. And shake.